In this tutorial, we'll produce our first scene in VTS Editor. It will be a discussion between two characters. From the VTS Editor homepage, I start by clicking on the New Project button to create an empty project. I validate the creation and select the project for editing. I click on Edit this scenario to access the graph of the entire scenario. By default, a new VTS Editor project contains a single scene. I can double-click on this scene block to modify it. This takes me to the specific graph for that scene. Before modifying the graph, I need to define the environment and create the characters who will be involved in the discussion. I open the scene editor by clicking on the Start block and see that by default I have a single character facing me in a generic scenery. I'll start by choosing another, more suitable scenery by clicking on Select Scenery. The list of available sceneries is rather long, so I search directly by keyword. Here, I use the word staff to find the staff room scenery. The character has been moved to one of the available slots. I click on the second silhouette on the right to insert another character. You can see on the left that, apart from the learner, I have only one character available at the moment. To add one, I open the Characters page, accessible at any time from the top of the screen. From the list of characters in the project, I click on the Add button to create a new character. I can choose from all available characters and I choose this one. These two characters can be inserted into any scene in my project. I can now close the Characters page. Returning to the scene setup, VTS Editor offers to insert the new character directly. I answer Yes, which automatically places the new character in front of the first. If I wish, I can move him to another location, but that's not the point here. My scene is now ready to write the dialogue between these characters. I close the scene configuration, which takes me back to the graph. I see that a speak block is present by default. This type of block is used to make the characters or the learner himself speak with predefined phrases. I select this block and click on the Edit button, which opens its parameters. I can see that a first sentence is defined, "Hello, and welcome to VTS Editor." I edit the text as I wish, and indicate on the left that the first character is talking to the second character, not the learner. I can add other sentences using the Add button, and choose who speaks for each sentence by selecting the characters on the left, or by clicking on the little arrow to reverse the speaker and recipient. Once I've written my dialogue, all that's left is to generate the synthesized voices to hear the characters speak. So I open the Text and Voices page, accessible from the top, and click on the Generate Voices button. Once all the voices have been generated, I can close this page. And that's it! We've finished configuring our first scene. I can now launch the scene preview by clicking on the Play button.
So, have you been able to start testing VTS Editor yet?
Yes, I installed the trial version just now, and it looks great.
And there's more to come. Enjoy!